Collage Place Apartments in Seattle, Washington, Post-Tensioning Solutions had the opportunity to take on one of those rare projects that remind you why experience, creativity, and teamwork matter so much in post-tensioning. This was not a typical repair. This was a true engineering puzzle. The building had one of the older post-tensioning systems, a button head system. Our challenge was to safely integrate that older technology with today's modern grease mono-strand. That meant we could not just show up with standard equipment and a standard plan. We had to design a custom approach. Working alongside CKC and Joel Kipell, this became our first project together, and it was an incredible experience. Joel and the CKC team brought the engineering knowledge and the confidence needed to help verify the method, while our team brought the field experience, specialty equipment, and problem-solving mindset. To make this system work, we developed a custom setup that allowed us to connect the older button head system to the newer mono-strand system. This included specialty design components, custom blocks, stressing equipment, and calculated method for controlling how the load was reapplied back into the structure. The button head system had groups of roughly 9 to 14 strands that needed to be addressed together. To manage that, we used multiple modern grease mono-strand cables at the same time, pulling through a custom block system designed specifically for this project. One of the most exciting parts of this job for me was calculating the gauge pressure with Joel and my dad. The calculations involved multiple rams and understanding how the load was being distributed across the custom block. That's the kind of work where math, experience, and trust in your team all meet in one place. This project was special because we were working with a system that was designed and installed long before most of us on the crew were even born. The only exception was my dad, Rick, who was just a kid when the building was originally constructed. That father-son connection made this one even more meaningful. We were not just repairing a building, we were bringing an older system into modern era while respecting the history of how it was originally built. That is what Post-Tensioning Solutions does best. We take on projects others may avoid. We find the right people to team up with, we figure out the parts needed, and we design the tools. We work closely with our team to build the method, then we execute it safely in the field. Projects like Collage Place prove why. Post-tensioning repair is not something to guess your way through. It takes engineering, field knowledge, specialty equipment, and a team that understands both the numbers and the real-world conditions on site. Big thank you to CKC, Joel Kipell, and everyone involved in helping make this project a success. At Post-Tensioning Solutions, we're always excited for the next challenge. It's when teams like this come together and buildings like this are brought back to life is just another reason why at Post-Tensioning Solutions, we stress excellence.